Okay, Juan's over there cleaning the starter. I'm gonna get the flywheel and torque converter buttoned up, or should I say pressure plate. So we're gonna get all the stuff underneath the car all buttoned up, then we'll worry about all this stuff on top. After I do that, the torque converter, I'll do the starter, and I'll show you a little trick so your starter does not fall out. I repeat, does not fall out. Got the car all up on jack stands so my fat ass can fit under it better. And the plan is to get this all buttoned up, ready to run by the end of the day. It's in 2 minutes Boston time. And thank you very much.